Good afternoon, students. Today I'll start the separate new exercise, that is the problem on the simultaneous linear equation. Okay. This is your exercise number 6. So already you solution it, but here you can know that after read the question, how will you solve this part? It is required for now. So see that, suppose if I discuss your question number 1. What is it that? Sum of the two numbers. Then of course the numbers would be required to find out. Let the number be x and y. The sum of the two numbers, and according to first condition, sum of the two numbers x plus y is equal to 50. Number 1. And according to second condition, the difference is there 16. Second condition, difference is minus 16. Now, you don't do any calculation because already the value be the same and sign be the opposite. So, without performing any action, just if you do the plus, we get the value of the other part. What is that part? Curve 2x is equal to 66. So, x value will be 66 by 2, that is 33. Now put the value anywhere. Suppose if I put x is equal to 33 in equation number 1, then whatever I can get, x plus y is equal to 50. So x value will be 33. So x answer will be 33 and y answer will be 17. Clear? So in this way you read the question, making the first equation, then solve it. Okay, make the question and then you can able to solve it. Now I have it. Next map. Suppose question number 4. Question number 4, not question number 5. What is it that the class 9 students, certain public school wanted to give a farewell party of the outgoing student of class 10. They decided to purchase two kinds of sweets, one costing rupees 70 per kg and the costing 84 per kg. They estimated that 36 kg of the sweets were needed. If the total money spent on the sweets is rupees this, find how much sweet of each kind they purchased. They understood for the 70 per kg and another is the 80, and the total estimated 36 kg of sweets is required. Okay. Then let, just in this way you can think it. That they buy first kind of sweets x kg and second kind of sweets y kg. Clear? They needed purchase 2 kinds of sweet, rupees 70 per kg and another 84 per kg. Okay. Now this total. So according to question, first condition, if you buy x kg and another pen y kg, total he bought, what is the price? 36 kg. This is equation number 1. We bought the 36 kg will be required for that. Okay. Next, another part. What is another part be there? See that. Another is the 70 per kg. Suppose 70 per kg if I bought. Second condition. If 70 kg if I bought x kg plus 84 kg if I bought y kg, total price will be, what is it required? 2800. You have required the amount will be 2800. This is the second equation. Now I will make the reduce it. 7z divided by 7, 10x, 12y, 400. Okay, 7 10z, 7 12z and 7 4z. This. Another I can make the reduce it. 2 5z, 2 6z, 200. Now this will be make your second equation. Clear? This is you make the second equation. 5x plus 6y is equal to 200. So now solve these two equations. First is x plus y is equal to 36. Second is 5x plus 6y is equal to 200. Now multiply these two. This multiplied by 5, this multiplied 1. So 5x plus 5y is equal to 180. 5x plus 6y is equal to 200. To the minus, cancel it. Minus y is equal to, you got minus 20. Cancel it. The y value is 20. Now put the value is there. So x value will be 16. So they buy the first. So x will be x kg, x will be 16 kg, and second will be bought the y 20 kg. Last one math I will be show to you. Number 9. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:3. Okay. If I think the number will be x and y, 2:3. Now, 2 is subtracted from the first. If 2 is subtracted from the first, and second is subtracted from the second, y second is 8. SU become reciprocal of the original. Original reciprocal means is what this. The whatever I can get it from here, 3x is equal to 2y. Okay, make it. That means x is equal to 2y by 3. Here you can do the cross multiplication. 2x minus 4, 3y minus 24. The 2x minus 3y minus 24 plus 4, that is minus 20. Put the value x will be here. So 4y by 3 minus 3y is equal to minus 20. So 3 LCM. 4y minus 9y is equal to minus 20. Minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 20. Minus minus we cancel. 5 4 cancel. You can got y value will be 12. So whenever you can get the y value will be 12, now put the value will be here. Then you can got it from here. X value is what? 2 into 12 by 3. 3 4 that is 8. So question asks, find the numbers. So you can write in this way. Numbers are 8 and 12. Am I clear to all of you? So in this way, go through the question properly. still you were not able to do question properly, you are not able to solve it. Okay, so repeatedly read the question, you should be find out the answer. Okay, goodbye.